Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last card idea using the You Are Remarkable stamp set for this week. I have used the Everyday Arches dies, which are not on the last chance list. They are still an active item to do the design on the front. The 5 1/4 by 4 piece of basic white I have embossed with the sunflower 3D folder. I liked how this background echoed the flower in here. This one I did with Flirty Flamingo, Lost Lagoon, and Daffodil Delight. For the front of this one, I've colored in with Strawberry Slush, Lemon Lolly, and then Lemon Lime Twist. So I thought I'd do the coloring rather than having you watch me color. But I'm just going to put everything together essentially. And I'm putting adhesive all the way around the outside of the embossed piece because it is a 3D folder. The edges tend to waffle up a little bit. So by putting adhesive all the way around the edge, we're good to go. Now, to do the borders for this one, I actually cut this out of the middle of here. So I'm saving on paper and it's all used, so we're not wasting anything. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this down. I'm just going to place that down like that. We're going to do the same thing with the greeting. Just going to adhere this down just like that. Okay, then I'm going to take this, I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of it, and you can absolutely use ribbon if you want to kind of just tie a piece of ribbon around here if you want. I chose not to. I think there's a lot going on with this one with the detailed background, so I opted not to. But of course, my ideas are simply a jumping off point for your designs. So if you think, oh, I'd put ribbon there or I'd put a bow there, absolutely. When you case the card, absolutely make it your own. That is the whole point of all of this. So I'm putting this up and over just a little bit. It's not exactly centered. And then I'm going to just pop this over top. So I need to put dimensionals on this side here. So I'm going to put a dimensional here and a dimensional here, and then just some adhesive down like that. There we go. And this will just pop down here like this. And then I'm going to grab my Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink gems, and we're going to just pop some of these down. I'm going to use the larger ones because I think they'll add more impact here. So I'm going to pop one here like this, one over here like this, and then one just off the edge like that. So that is our card. This is the Strawberry Slush, and then this one is the Lost Lagoon. So you can tell me which one you prefer and what colorways you would do it in. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.